The first thing you want to do is go to Upload Settings, and set up your configurations. These settings will be applied to all the books you want to upload. They are pretty much the same as the ones you see in KDP when uploading books manually. Once done, click on Save. Next, you have to export your Excel layout to fill it with your data. Click on Export Layout. Default fields will be included in your Excel layout such as title, subtitle, description, keywords, etc. If you need additional fields, you can select them from this window. For example, I want to fill series name and series number, and I also want to have 2 contributors. If you want to override settings for certain books, means that you don't want to apply configurations from Upload Settings menu that we just set up. Instead, you want to have specific settings for specific books. Then you can select the fields you want to override, and they will be included in your Excel layout. Keep in mind that those fields must be filled with the values from this table. For example, I have some books with large print option. So I check large print. And in my Excel layout I fill it with the value yes, and it will have it selected when uploading that book even though it's unchecked in Upload Settings. The same thing with cover finish. I must fill it with the word matte or the word glossy, etc. When you finish selecting fields, click on Export. Now you have the option to reorder the fields before exporting them. Hold the Control key to select multiple fields. Use arrows buttons to move up and down. Click OK and select the path where you want to save the layout. You can choose different file types. The next tutorial will be on how to fill your Excel layout and import it to Kindle Prime.